Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in as an admin, so start by opening Settings. Press Windows key plus I. Once Settings is open, navigate to Privacy and Security and select Windows Security. This step places you in the central security hub where features like Microsoft Defender and Firewall Live. Make sure Windows is up to date to avoid missing UI changes. Now click Open Windows Security to proceed. This is the first actionable move, so you can access real-time protection, firewall, and app control options. Once Windows Security is open, choose Virus and Threat Protection and click Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection, which stops Microsoft Defender scanning. Also toggle off cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission if present. Next, go back and open Firewall and Network Protection. Choose your active network and click Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Make sure you understand disabling these increases risk. Do this only temporarily, or when alternative protections are immediately active and trusted. After disabling protections, open Virus and Threat Protection settings and turn off Tamper Protection if Windows blocks your changes. That allows settings to stick. Restart the PC and verify real-time protection and firewall remain off. Go back into Windows Security to confirm. If Windows re-enables defenses or you see suspicious activity, immediately re-enable protections and run a full scan. If settings won't change, use Safe Mode or run sfc/dism. These fixes often resolve permission or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.